Hello everyone, today I am going to tell about the working mechanism of impulse steam turbine. So basically in the impulse steam turbine we have fixed blade, a series of fixed blade connected to a shaft. Here is one shaft and around it is a hub and around its fixed blade are arranged in this manner. And then similarly on the same shaft the rotating blades are kept in this manner. The fixed shaft don't rotate. It don't rotate, but the rotating shaft rotates and it rotates the axis. The rotating shaft rotates the axis. So basically what happens is steam steam is sent in the steam turbine and there are two sets of blade, and first let's say it hits the fixed blade, and it when it hits the fixed blade we can notice that here is low area. Sorry, here is high area and this is low area. And what happens is when it moves from the high area to low area, velocity increases, and now this velocity goes here and it strikes the moving blade. Note that the pressure at P1 at this point and pressure at this point, which is denoted at P2, they are equal. P1 equals to P2. There is no change in pressure in the moving blade, but here there is change in pressure. Since the velocity is changing, pressure changes. So del P exists. Del P exists in the fixed blade, but del P don't exist in the moving blade. Now what happens is the velocity increases and it came from here to here and it applies the impulsive force. Note, it is only impulsive force that is being exerted on the blade by the water. So it is called as impulse turbine. Now one thing to notice is why you have to increase the velocity. Why don't keep the velocity keep on decreasing? Because this axis, look at this axis is connected to generator, and generator should have to produce 50 hours of electricity. For that 50 hours of electricity we need constant rpm of the axis. So when we keep on decreasing the velocity of the steam, then the rpm decreases, which fluctuates the 50 hertz frequency. So we have to keep the velocity the same.